드론 날리려다 추락할까 걱정되나요? 자동비행이 알아서 다 해줍니다. 드론 초보도 가능한 자동비행으로 촬영한 영상 감상해볼게요.
Upward we climb a silver streak, the highest point of heaven's peak. The world below begins to shrink, far faster than a person can think. Oh, what a view so wide and grand. We start our turn, a graceful arc, orbiting you, a shining mark. The world revolves, a sweeping view, showing the scene all around you. A circle perfect, grand design, this moment captured, truly divine. A circle perfect, grand design, spinning round a dizzying height, ascending up with all my might. A spiral path, a climbing dream, caught in a mesmerizing gleam. Oh, the drama unfolds, a stunning grace, lost in this wonderful twisting space. A spiral ascent, a grand display, leading us higher, come what may. An elliptical path, we start to roam, drifting away, then coming home. A curve so wide, then drawing near, echoing motion, banishing fear. Like a boomerang's flight, we swing and sway. Through the open air, we lead the way. Into the void we bravely fly, beneath a boundless unknown sky. With every beat our spirits rise, to distant stars before our eyes. Oh, the thrill of worlds unseen, a future glorious and keen. With courage in our hearts we soar, to find what no one's found before. A sight to behold, like an asteroid, our world appears. Like an asteroid, our world appears. Just tap the screen, watch me take flight, painting the sky with pure golden light. Master the shot, a cinematic view, creating movie magic, all for you. Master the shot, flying high. Master the tap is all it takes to start. I fly the paths to capture every part. A symphony of motion, wide and grand.
The perfect memory is now in your hand.
Master the shot with MasterShots. Fly high with MasterShots. 피사체를 찍고 MasterShots. 드론은 궤적을 따라 비행해, 여러 초력 패턴을 조합해
하나의 완성된 영상을 만들어 드라마틱하고 역동적인 느낌 MasterShot.